Okay, testing po natin tong yung uso ng mic ngayon. Ito yung normal. Pag isang press, noise cancellation daw. Noise cancellation. Ito yung open mic. Noise cancellation. Hello, mic test. Mic test, mic test. Tapos isa ulit. Tapos press ng dalawa, mute. Test, mic test, mic test. Ayan, wala nang mute. Tapos tatlo yung echo or reverb. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yun, mic test, mic test. Mic test, saan na yung mga anak ko? 1, 2, 3. Hindi ko pa natin sa gitara, sana maganda.
Gusto niyo akin na si Pichi nandalhin ko.
Oh, Pichi. Catch mo. Sige na, catch mo ito. So si Paris. Ayun na pala si... Ano yan, Paula? Paris? Ano yan? Saan galing yan?
We're selling rocks and mini wheat. This is my daddy. Look, this is my daddy. Hello. Let's go pick some more, guys. Let's pick some more.
Oh. Hello, say hi. Like a hi. Na. Si Paula, magtotok na raw siya. Ayan, malayo na to. Ilang feet na ba to? 20 feet?
Hello. Hello. What's
Ano to, 20 feet?
strawberry?
Talk.
Hi. Hi. That's strawberry. It's strawberry. Why is this chocolate? But she likes chocolate. She always likes chocolate. And me, I haven't tried
Bakit sinasabi
strawberry
nito?
donuts. Super good.
O tara na, Paula.
But it's all made of powder.
Nag-talk ka?
Yeah.
Sige. Okay, testing po namin yung mic na bagong mic. And talk ka, talk. Mag-talk ka. Talk ka pag malayo ka na doon, no? O, sige. Sabi mo,
I think this is going to fall down.
hindi, sige. Huwag mo lang yung gaganon. Ito po yung isang mic. Talk ka, talk. Talk. Umaabot po yung mic natin. Talk ka, talk. 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 Mag-talk ka. Say anything, say anything. I'm Paris. Hindi po siya nagsalita, nag-ahay lang siya. Talk ka, anything. Mag-sing ka doon. Sing ka. Kung marinig sa mic. Sabi mo, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sige. Punta ka doon sa may panda doon, no? Sige na. Tapos sabi ko, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sige na.